Welcome to our channel. Do you want to follow a healthy diet without sacrificing delicious food? We've got the answer. In this video, we'll share the secrets of maintaining a healthy diet that allows you to enjoy tasty meals without worrying about gaining weight. Let's get started. 1. Balanced nutrition. First and foremost, secret number 1 is to ensure your nutrition is balanced. Consume a variety of foods rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. This is not only good for your health, but also makes your meals more satisfying. 2. Portion control. Next, don't forget to control your portion sizes. You can still enjoy your favorite foods, but in smaller portions. This helps you manage your calories and weight. 3. Smart food choices. It's essential to make smart food choices. Opt for low-fat, low-sugar, and high-fiber foods. You'll feel full for longer and reduce your cravings for snacks. 4. Cooking your meals. The food you make yourself is generally healthier than fast food. Try cooking your meals and experiment with delicious low-calorie recipes. 5. Enjoy mindful eating. Finally, when you eat, savor your food with mindfulness. Avoid eating while watching TV or using gadgets. Focus on your meal and enjoy every bite. Following these secrets, you can enjoy delicious food without gaining weight. A healthy diet doesn't have to be boring, as long as you make smart choices and maintain balance. We hope these tips are helpful to you. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We will continue to provide valuable information about health and nutrition. Stay healthy and enjoy your meals wisely.